Welcome to our site, Graphic Kabbalah. At the outset, this site is meant for the unsighted. Without sight, that means all those totally in the dark. And that is, this site is meant in each and every possible person, because we all need enlightenment. And therefore, all you have to do is concentrate, be open, open your eyes and listen. And in the end, you will be like an elephant. You will never forget. Let me tell you something about us. First of all, the author. I am the author. I have a BSc Engineering, Associate Membership of the Institute of Structural Engineers, that is, from the scientific aspect. And then I have a BA, an honors BA, an MA, and a PhD, all in matters of religious studies. I have been full-time senior lecturer in the Department of Religious Studies at the University of Cape Town. And for the past 20 years and more, I have been lecturer in Graphic Kabbalah. Graphic Kabbalah, a holistic subject, the whole picture from beginning to end, perfect from the beginning, and at the very end, fair and square, and seeing the point. Our subject, Kabbalah. Kabbalah simply means reception, always open to receive, to take in, to have the knowledge. And Kabbalah is based on a Sefer Yetzirah, which is the model for the totality of what we call Torah. You are familiar with the Holy Bible. The Holy Bible, and that is, for most, the Old Testament. Torah Moshe and the other books contributory to it. That is what it's all about. And then we get Graphic Kabbalah. Why Graphic Kabbalah? Because I hold, and I have proof for it, that Graphic Kabbalah is the basis for the totality of the ancient religious sciences taught in close circle. Sacred geometry. Sacred geometry. In Hebrew, geometry, gematria, the same word. In Greek, it gives a picture, because Hebrew is different from other languages. It stems from the Arabic, which also has this quality. In other words, each and every letter of Hebrew is also a number which gives a pattern and a design, a graphic. And so you build a picture in language. You also have a graphic picture in your mind in the now. And now, last but not least, a little about our topic, reversion. Going back to a state of perfection at the very beginning, in the past, in order to find a model for understanding the future, that we may be able to negotiate our times at present in the now, which are times of rapid change and with which no one really is able to cope. And now, I have a little secret. And what is the secret? It works. And how do I know? Because I already had a peep to see what happens at the end. And I can tell you that that which is emerging can be proven scientifically. You need not have any doubts about using it, and it will benefit you for the rest of your life. I'm talking about that. If there is a perfect beginning, and you want to perfect the imperfect, the result is that you will land up in paradise. And who doesn't want paradise? And paradise is there forever. This begs the question, forever, eternity, is that possible? And the answer is yes. And we have available right in the here and now, in their library. And it is brought to you for those who seek proof of the fact that eternity is possible.